Arting! Welcome to Arting Tips. This is Miss Patty, and today we're going to be working on winter projects. We are going to be playing with light and dark areas in our image. You will need a white piece of paper and a blue paper that is half the size of your white paper. Please use a pencil for the next step. You're going to see me using a white color so that you can see it on video. On the blue paper, we're going to draw a snowman and a pine tree, but it's very important that your shapes reach the bottom, like you see me doing over here. So I started doing a big circle, a smaller circle on top, and I'm doing a hat for my snowman. On this other area of the paper, I'm going to do a pine tree, which is very easy to do if you start doing a triangle on top and then keep doing bigger triangles as you come down. At the very bottom, draw a tree trunk that reaches the bottom of the paper. Both of your drawings need to come down all the way to the bottom. And now we're going to design and color our background. This is happening at night in winter. I'll be drawing a full moon behind my pine tree, also some mountains with snow on the back. And remember that for your colors to pop, you need to give first a coat of white oil pastel, and then on top of that white oil pastel, you can put some color. Don't worry if you colored a little bit inside of your shapes, like I have my snowman here with a line, because we're gonna be cutting that later. I'm gonna finish this off with a couple of snowflakes all the way around, and it's time to cut. You're gonna cut out the shape of your tree and the snowman. Be very careful, because every single piece of paper will be used on your project. Once all of your shapes are cut, you're going to paste the background part on the top of the white paper. Make sure that the corners on top match. Put some glue stick on the very top of the blue paper and match those corners to your white paper. Once the corners are in place, you can start pasting the rest of the background. Take your time so that every single piece of the background paper is pasted to the white one. Once your project looks like this, we're going to put the snowman shape and the pine tree shape back in place, and then we're going to flip them down to make a reflection on the snow. And we're going to paste them in place. When all of your papers are in place, it's time to decorate. Use your oil pastels to add details to the snowman and pine tree. You could also add some shadows like you see me doing on the snowman. Use a couple of green colors that are different on your pine tree to give it some depth, and don't forget to do the tree trunk as well. This is our final project, and just before we go, make sure that all of the corners of your blue paper are pasted. I figured this one wasn't pasted very well. I hope you enjoyed this project. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more winter projects like this dancing snowman. See you soon. Ciao.